In today's bustling gig economy, it's increasingly popular for people, including white-collar professionals, to take on additional work or jobs outside their normal 9-to-5s. But when professional service workers enter the dual labor market, how does this action affect others' perceptions of these increasingly busy workers? Across 5 empirical studies, researchers discovered that potential clients who are evaluating potential service providers, such as doctors, lawyers, or other professionals, tend to discount multiple job-holding professionals along several dimensions. As it turns out, researchers found evidence that people apply what amounts to a multiple job-holding tax to individuals who occupy 2 distinct occupations. When assessing service professionals, individuals consider a provider's ability to deliver the requested service, and holding multiple jobs may put a professional at a disadvantage. The results from these studies show that many people perceive a person with dual professions to be less competent at his or her main job, resulting in lower evaluations and a reduced likelihood of hiring that professional for his or her services. But the tax is not universally applied, and evaluators can sometimes look beyond their initial tendency to discount a person with multiple jobs, especially if the professional provides reasonable explanations for the dual labor. The personal characteristics of the perceivers also matter. For example, if a perceiver is a member of multiple social groups, then he or she will likely be more forgiving of a professional that straddles multiple occupations. Thinking of taking a side gig? Or just wondering how having a second paycheck may affect others' perceptions? If so, you may want to read this paper.